Oh, hey, how are you? Yes, so today's Thursday. Surprisingly awake for a Thursday, you know? Never been so awake on a Thursday, you know? Oh, I don't know how long. Oh, fucking mouse. Ugh. So yeah, and like I said, today is Wednesday. Today I think I'll talk about how my chemistry exam went. Don't worry, I won't be going into too much detail about it, because I'm sure most of you are thinking, exam. So yeah, I won't go into like massive amount of detail, but I'll talk about a lot like how I found it and difficulties I found questions. That's what I was about to say. I can't believe that. Oh my god. See, this is a great thing about having a vlog, one take vlog. You get amazing outtakes within the video, and there's nothing I can do about it because I don't edit. So you're welcome. You get to laugh at me more. Oh, got my scalp there. Need a shave. Yeah, I'm gonna have a shave. So in the next couple of days, you'll probably see me with a lack of beard. Yeah. So anyway, as I was saying, right, back to the main part. I'm going to talk about chemistry and the questions I found difficult and stuff like that. Well, the exam anyway. I'm not going to talk about chemistry in detail because you don't want to know about chiral carbons, do you? About peptide bonds, unless you're into that sort of stuff, like you like chemistry. You'll get to learn that if you're doing chemistry A2. Not that difficult really. It's just applying them that gets difficult. Sorry, I'm picking my foot. Got dead skin. And I got terrible feet. They're like all hard and stuff. So yeah. Anyway, back to the main point, the exam today. God, I get distracted so easy. Right, so yeah, I found it wasn't too bad to be fair in this exam. It was I was expecting something harder because I did a mock a while ago. I think I mentioned this before, but I did a mock a while ago, and it was like I got a D in it. It was quite, I wouldn't say extremely difficult paper, but it wasn't an easy paper either. It was so-so. So I'm just signing into my YouTube account, ready to upload. So yeah, yeah, so yeah, it wasn't too bad to be fair, the exam. Like I say, it was easier than I thought it'd be. But I'm hoping I didn't find it easy because I was getting it all wrong. I hope it was easy because I knew all the answers and I was just going through it. Yeah, but there was a couple of questions that I was like, I don't know. Like the very first question, I'm terrible with first questions on a chemistry paper. Every time I got to open the chemistry paper, I look at the first question and go, I'm skipping you, I'll do you later. Because on this one it was explain the term isoelectric. I don't know that term, so it had something to do with acidity, I think. So I wrote some shit about saying how much of something is acidic or alkali or something along them words. But then I started going through them. It was like I was going through the paper. I finished the first go through in like 40 minutes, and then I finished the entire paper in like 50 minutes. I stopped and thought, I'm not going to be able to do any more. I've answered every question to the best of my ability. I might as well wait another, I think it was 25 minutes until the exam ends. So yeah, I was like, just waiting. I decided to put a cock and boobs on my calculator. So yeah, it was like there was a cock and then some lines and then boobs. It was like the penis was, you know, on the boobs. I got bored. I'm really immature and childish and dirty-minded. Haha. So yeah, I did that. Yeah, the questions, like I said, the first question I found really difficult. I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. It went. It went. I hate it when that happens. It's like you're gonna sneeze and you make that face like, and nothing comes in. Everyone's just staring at you like, what the hell? Holy mother of God! Yeah. So yeah, and then it just goes away. And you're like, I was gonna sneeze. It just disappeared. You put me under pressure, man. You put me under pressure. So yeah. Another question I found quite difficult was gas chromatography. That's basically you send a compound through a machine and it tells you what's in the compound from like how long it takes to get through it or something. I've never been good at that, so I basically wrote bullshit for that as well. I was like, alright, what was it? Depends on how long it takes to dissolve into the solvent, and I basically wrote shit about it. Because I have no idea how to do it. So yeah, I got to the last question, it was like 10 marks, and I loved it, because it's one of them questions, like, you're given information, and then you've got to find out what the chemical is. And I love them sort of questions, because I'm good at them. Like, it was given, like, the percentage of how many carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens were in them. It was given a graph, like, telling you what all the fragment mass is, and then you was given a graph of, peaks, like what group hydrogen like groups there is, and then you had to deduce what the molecular form was, and then you had to draw out what the chemical was. Now this one annoyed me because usually on the ones that tell you what groups there is, like hydrogen groups, it's like they have peaks, a number of peaks, and then you count the peaks, take away one, and that's how many hydrogen environments are connected to the carbon and the hydrogen that's been detected. And this one, they decided just to put spikes and then a number next to the what's it called? Next to the peak, and it was like, what is that? The number of carbons next to it, or what? So yeah, I was drawing it out, and I was like, no, that's wrong, because the molecular formula was like something like C8H16O2 or something like that. That's probably exact. I remember stupid stuff. It's something I'm good at. Like, I'll remember useless like stuff really easily, but then when I go to apply it, it's like, oh, I don't know. So yeah, it took me a while to figure. Like, I drew out a compound. It was like, that can't be right. No, it's all right. So I drew out another one at the top in pencil, like, out of the way to see if it could be that, and I was like, no, it can't be that. So yeah, and then eventually I just thought, right, it's got to be that, so I left it at that. So yeah, right, so I'm going to leave it at that. Sorry, I kind of went into detail on that last question. I said I wasn't going to, but I did. Oh well. So yeah, if you like it, I'm going to leave it there. We'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow I will be answering questions, so remember, like I said yesterday, not that anyone did it, but if you've got questions that you'd like to ask me, try and put them in like groups of 8. Just put them in the comments below on Facebook or Twitter or whatever. No, not on Twitter. You can't put them on Twitter. Like tweet me on Twitter if you do see me through Twitter. Not many people do. To be fair, I don't use Twitter. I use Twitter to stalk you other YouTubers. Well, not stalk, just it's like they like say when they're like recording stuff, so I know to expect something from them soon. So yeah, I don't put much on there. I think I tweeted yesterday saying I'm going to have a pizza. That was about it. And I won't tweet again for like another couple of months. So yeah, so leave a comment on Facebook. If you watch this through Facebook, leave a comment down below. If you watch this on YouTube, that's the one. Go to my Facebook fan page as well. So, because like, if you haven't got me as a friend and you're watching this video, and my Facebook fan page, by the way, is in the description down below. I'm not just saying go there. You don't know what it is. So yeah, that's down below in the description below. Go to that. This video will be linked there. Just leave a questions there if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to, but great if you do, because it'll give me stuff to talk about. Because I was reading a comment yesterday from Super Major Bros, because I was like, I thought, oh my god, this vlog's taking forever. I'm sorry. I woke up yesterday morning thinking, what if they're trolling me? But I was just like, that's just tiredness. And then he confirmed that they actually like me. He's like, in all serious, we do, and blah, blah. And he like saying, give me more stuff to talk about with the random questions, which I appreciate because it does give me more stuff to talk about. Because with me being at college, I don't do much. I go to college, I do homework, I play my Xbox. At the moment, PS2, and I'm playing on computer at the moment, a game called Anno 2071, something like that, which is basically you build a city and stuff. It's quite fun. It's like a real-time strategy sort of game. Anyway, I'm going to leave you there properly now. I'm sorry, this is a long vlog. So yeah, if you like this, don't forget to like, favourite and subscribe. Share this via Facebook and or Twitter. And yeah. See you tomorrow. Oh shit, 11 minutes.